Alrighty, doing a little bit of work on Black 68. I have a guy that coming by that wants to buy it, but I wanted to get some paint on this metal first. And plus, if they don't come by, it's no big deal. It's still my car. Anyway, this might be the conclusion of the 68 project, just because somebody wants to buy it, then I can put the money in the 67 blue guy. Eventually get to the Unicorn 65 Fastback. So that's always been the goal. That and to make a little bit of content. Let's do a rehash of everything that's been done. You got all the wiring is pretty cool. Carburetor, everything's there. Swapped it out, so that's my carb now. Sounds good, starts and runs, goes down the road. It's a pleasure to own. It's been a great car. Good project. Frustrating at times, but yeah. So the old 68 just might be leaving us, but we're gonna get some paint. I'm sanding this with 80 grit, then I'm gonna hit it with probably 180, and then go from there. I might then spray it, but the roof is being a pain. But this was already cleared off with that big stuff, so I'm just kind of getting that. You can see I went about halfway, so I'll get the whole roof and then this bare metal cleaned up and ready for repaint. Just using that barbecue paint, so just trying to make it look a little better and be a little bit more outside worthy. All right. Well, I got it all sanded and kind of looks cool, but I didn't get this fender done. I did the A-pillars, door, lid, quarter panel. Really quick, I got chibby and I didn't do this little section here, but I did go ahead and recoat this. I just didn't do much sanding on it. Looks better in the pictures. And then did the top of this guy to tie in this and this, and then this for the roof. So looks a lot better if she doesn't go away. And then I'll probably do next, I'll do that guy and this guy and this fender at least. Probably recoat the tops of these, just hit them really quick. And then it'll look cool and I can park it outside without it rusting again. I might do this side. There's a lot of sanding, get that rust down and eliminated so that you can actually put something on and make a difference. But yeah, keep going back to the engine because I really like this engine bay. It makes me happy to look in here, see pretty stuff. Take another gander at this dash. I don't know if I showed you guys this dash really good or not, but so these are AutoZone white face gauge. This is a GPS speedometer. It was really made for a boat. That's why it only goes to 80. But I had it laying around, so we put it in there. It just happened to fit. This is an AutoZone TAC, AutoZone temp gauge, and then an AEM oxygen sensor wideband. So it's only got one sensor, but I put bungs in the both exhaust. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm very happy. Very happy. I'm sad that if it goes today, I'll be sad, but I'm happy that I got to work on it and play with it and make it better than it was, or actually make it go down the road. So yeah. Anyway, like it. But if it supports the building of that guy, then so be it. Well, there she goes. She's loaded up. Well, it's dark, but see if I can see it. Heading over to Yakima. Cool. Oh, she's going down the road, dadgummit. Well, they'll have fun with it. She's a beautiful rig. heading out. Bye-bye, girl.